about time to get today's Delmarva Life Daily Deal. Today's deal, $60 for shuttle bus service, wine tasting, and keepsake wine glasses for a group of 6 from Fenwick Wine Cellars in Fenwick Island.
You can get that daily deal on DelmarvaLife.com or download the free Delmarva Life Daily Deal app for your iPhone, iPad, or Android and get that great deal right there in the palm of your hand.
And you know what goes well with wine? Seafood. And we're in the kitchen with Chef Ronnie Burkle. So you sell seafood.
Yeah,
you have a lot of seafood dishes.
We have a lot of different dishes of seafood. We tend to keep it in the New England area, the northeastern region, working in that ocean and those freshwater rivers and ponds and everything as well, using fish from there as well. We're big on lobsters, you know, fresh tuna, fresh swordfish, salmon.
Can I ask you a question? Can I ask you a question about crab?
Yeah.
We had talked earlier, gosh, it wasn't all that long ago, about all these crabs that were coming out because of the warm weather, got all these crabs, and now suddenly they're saying some of them are getting kind of hard to find.
Yeah, it's you know, I think a lot of it is just the motion of you know, Mother Nature itself, what goes on with the weather, the climate, all these changes we've been seeing these last couple of years. Things like soft-shell crabs, their season has grown way longer than usual. Usually it's just, you know, about a month that they're around, and now we're seeing them for about 3 or 4 months at times, and it really fluctuates. It goes a lot with the tides, with the moon, you know, where the crabs are, where the food is, the warmth of the water. It's a lot plays a role in that.
So are lobster prices really going down?
Lobster prices go down in the summertime. They really go up in February and January is when you'll see lobsters be really high. But you know, when you can get them now in the summertime, it's the best time to get them.
All right, Ronnie Burkle, Northeast Seafood Kitchen.
Yeah, come check us out.
Yeah, thanks for joining us.
Thank you.
Don't forget, you can also visit DelmarvaLife.com on your mobile device, and for all you iPad users, you can also watch us there. Coming up next on WBOC, Dr. Oz.
Thank you again to our studio audience for joining us today. You guys have been awesome. We want you here, and it's real easy to do that. Go to DelmarvaLife.com and find out how you can become a member of our live studio audience. Just click on the show tab.
It really is a lot of fun, and it's air conditioned.
And it's air conditioned.
Yeah.
How much better can it get?
Nice and cool, even in the kitchen.
Even in the kitchen.
Delmarva Life, life at its best here on Delmarva.